Today then I'm going to show you how to make a gun with the 48-piece snake puzzle. And yeah, here we go. So first you count down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Flip the 13th one up, and then you'll count down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Flip the 5th one to the right. Then count 1, 2, 3, 4. Flip the 4th one up. Then count 1, 2, 3. Flip the 3rd one to the right. Then count 1, 2, 3, 4. Then flip the 4th one down. Then count 1, 2, 3. Flip the 3rd one to the right. Then count 1, 2. Flip the 2nd one up. Then count 1, 2, 3, 4. Flip the 4th one to the right. And then count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then flip it up. Flip the 7th one up so that it goes like that. And then count 1, 2. Flip the 2nd one back. Then count down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then flip the 7th one up. And then count 1, 2. Flip the 2nd one down. And please hit the subscribe button down below. If you like this video, I would really appreciate it if I could get some subscribers. And you would just hold it by putting these 3 fingers here, and then your shooter finger right here, and this is the trigger, and then this is the scope, and this is where the bullets come out of. And yeah, that's all for today.